Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Before we dive into this expert advisor breakdown, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, we are taking an objective look at an automated trading system called Dragon Expert EA. Now, according to the developer's website, this software is built around a triangular correlation strategy. Over the next few minutes, we are just going to walk through the vendor's claims, examine its key features, look closely at their reported account performances, and discuss what these metrics mean from a trader's perspective. All right, so starting with the primary setup and the purchase details. The Dragon Expert is marketed as a fully automated robot that requires zero prior trading knowledge. All right, with a quick setup process taking under 5 minutes. Okay, according to what is stated here. Okay, and then the vendor offers a professional license with a listed 30-day money back guarantee, free downloads without requiring a credit card upfront, and 247 client support. All right. So as you can see, I just click the download button and here we go. So you can see I just downloaded the file. All right, the Dragon Expert file that is for MT4, and here let's try downloading the MT5 file. Okay, all right, so despite being able to download both the MT4 and MT5 versions, when I actually tried testing either of them, or rather when I tried testing both of them, because I actually tried testing both of them, the MT4 and the MT5, there seems to be a problem with testing the expert advisor. Okay, so I have to mention that I was able to download, but I was not able to test them. So I don't know if the file is even good. Okay, so I think that's something I have to flag before I move ahead. All right, so we can see that they claim to, not require a credit card upfront and 24/7 client support. And then on the home page, the developer advertises targeted return expectations. That's on the homepage. Targeted return expectations of 70% to 100% plus monthly profit. But I have to say this upfront. I have to say this right away, that while promotional claims like guaranteed success or high monthly returns are prominent on sales page, it is always important for traders to evaluate EAs purely on verifiable strategy parameters and risk characteristics. This is really a high claim, and you know I would approach this kind of claim with a lot of skepticism. All right. So looking into how Dragon Expert operates based on the site's feature documentation. Okay. So there is what is called the triangular correlated strategy, which is the main trading algorithm focused on mathematical price relationships across correlated currency pairs. to identify entry and exit points. And then for the broker protection shield, the system claims to utilize hidden take profit and stop loss levels to guard trade data against broker manipulation or spread widening. Now, concerning the pre-optimized settings, it says that the EA comes pre-configured, allowing users to run default settings without extensive manual adjustment. And then there is also a claim for 247 automated trading, saying that it monitors price action around the clock across global market sessions, utilizing execution algorithms designed to mimic natural manual trading patterns. So now let us just examine the specific live and demo account figures that are displayed on the vendor's platform. Okay, so the vendor showcases 2 real accounts and 3 demo accounts running across specific triangular pair setups. And then for the first real account here, according to them, all right, according to the claim, it says that it started with a $5,000 balance running for 3 months, using default settings on Euro USD, Euro JPY, and USD JPY, and it reports a total growth of 1069%, bringing current equity to 58,476. All right, so that is actually quite a big claim. Okay, and well, this seems to be, an MyFX book report, and this is what I can see here. But remember to always approach such claims with skepticism. All right, and for the real account 2, it started with a $50,000 balance over 3 months, reporting a 112.2% growth on the GBP USD, GBP JPY, and USD JPY pair combination. Okay, and this is linking us to FX Blue. And I am seeing here balance over 106, equity 105, and all of that. All right, still approach with skepticism. Now we have the demo account. 3 separate demo accounts are displayed. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3. All right, running across 3 to 5 months. Demo 1 reports 230. Where is the first demo? Okay, so the first demo reports 236.45% growth on GBP USD, GBP JPY, and USD JPY. Demo 2 shows 311.75% on Euro USD, Euro JPY, and USD JPY. And demo 3 reports 208.33% using a triangle set of Euro USD, Euro CHF, and Euro GBP. Now, when reviewing high growth figures like 1069% over 3 months, traders need to analyze what these historical results imply regarding risk exposure. Okay, triangular correlation strategies attempt to exploit temporary price discrepancies between 3 related currency pairs. However, achieving exponential short-term gains typically involves higher lot sizing, leverage utilization, or sustained exposure during extreme market trends. It is crucial to remember that historical account reports provided on vendor pages reflect specific historical trading periods. Now, they should never be taken as a promise of future market results. Live trading performance always fluctuates based on account leverage, broker execution speeds, real-time spreads, slippage, and unexpected fundamental market shifts. Okay, so to wrap up, Dragon Expert EA centers its approach on automated triangular correlation trading across set currency trials like Euro USD, Euro JPY, and USD JPY. Its main highlights include hidden SL and TP protection and hands-off default setups. Now, because high returns inherently come with proportional market risk, I always recommend that traders conduct independent verification, review detailed drawdown statistics, and test any EA thoroughly on a demo account before considering live deployment. Thank you for watching, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below.